How to change tip in Uber Eats. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can change tip in Uber Eats. Now, what you'll need to know is you can change your Uber Eats tip before you place an order, when it's delivered, or after it arrives. Now, if you ordered from a restaurant, you have an hour to change your tip. If you have ordered your groceries, then you have 6 hours. Now, if you change the tip after your Uber Eats order arrives, you can't change it again. Now, Uber Eats offers its users, as you know, a lot of chances to tip their drivers, and considering that nearly everyone who delivers for Uber Eats is a gig worker, meaning that they rely almost entirely on tips to get paid. Now, it's a good idea to learn how to tip. So, the first thing is you can change your tip when you are placing your order. If you are ordering food, put together your order and proceed to checkout, and on the checkout page you can pick your address and payment method, then tap next. Once there, a page titled "Show Your Support with a Tip" will appear. Pick how much you want to tip. You can choose a preset percentage or a custom amount, then tap place order. The second one is if you are ordering groceries, arrange your order and then head to checkout similarly, and on the delivery details page scroll down to support tip and pick how much you want to give. Now, these are the ways. Now, once your order is delivered, if you order food and your order is delivered, once you receive your order, open the Uber Eats app again. You'll be asked to rate your order and confirm your tip. If you want to change it, simply tap on edit and pick a new amount. So this way you can change your tip on Uber Eats. Here I won't be able to show you since the Uber Eats is not available yet in my region, but this is how you can do it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.